I wanna be on welfare so freaking bad. Buy a brand new porch swing for my pad. And I won't do anything literally. Think of how fantastic that would be.
Stamps. That's 1 in 7 people. 1 in 7 people. I had to repeat that. They depend on the federal program to buy groceries. And as the jobless rate continues to teeter above 9%, the number of food stamp recipients has risen a whopping 70% in just 4 years.
I wanna be on welfare so freaking bad. Buy a brand new porch swing for my pad. And I won't do anything literally. Think of how fantastic that would be. 'Cause every time I stretch my thighs, you'll be asking someone if they want fries. A different takeout every night. Oh, I swear Domino's better prepare for when I am on welfare.
Yeah, I wanna live a life, live a dream, I can hear it calling. First of the month, I'll be grocery balling. Chickity check in the mail, never getting stale. I never thought I'd have to do nothing to get by. My 10 kids won't even bother me, I'll send them to daycare.
Fraud investigators knew something was wrong as they surveilled their suspect. Behind the wheel of a $40,000 Cadillac Escalade, Kim Johnson. She is on public assistance. She claimed that she was disabled, in need of 24-hour care, and that she was poor. Instead, she pulls up to a Sue-Ann's Beauty Supply, a store she owns. DA investigators say that Johnson and 2 partners also bought a house. Together, they're accused of a $417,000 ripoff.
I wanna be on welfare so freaking bad. Buy a brand new porch swing for my pad.